What's up, YouTube? Today we're making Taco Bell's Crunchwrap Supreme using the TikTok tortilla hack. Make sure to subscribe for more food content. We're going to start by browning the ground beef. Heat up 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add in your ground beef and break it up with your spatula. Cook until the meat browns completely. After the ground beef is cooked, drain out any excess liquid. Next, season the cooked ground beef using any taco seasoning of your choice. While the ground beef simmers, go ahead and prep your other ingredients. I'm swapping out the tostada shell for Doritos. After the ground beef is cooked, we're ready to make our Dorito Crunchwrap Supreme. Take your tortilla and find the center point. Take your knife and slice it halfway down from the center point, essentially creating a flap in the tortilla. In the first quadrant next to the cut, add 1 tablespoon of sour cream and top it off with some Doritos. In the next quadrant, add your shredded lettuce and diced tomatoes. In the third quadrant, spread 1 tablespoon of queso and top it off with an even layer of ground beef. In the final quadrant, add a generous amount of shredded cheese. After all your ingredients are added, take the first quadrant and fold it onto itself. Finally, sear both sides of the Crunchwrap in a skillet until both sides are golden brown and the shredded cheese is melted. Slice the Crunchwrap in half and serve it with your favorite hot sauce. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe.